Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to grow these turmeric plants from turmeric corms. You can grow them both indoors as well as outdoors. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. First you would need some turmeric rhizomes. The new plants will grow out from the side of the rhizomes. Plant the rhizome in a plastic pot filled with potting soil. Make sure that the side with the intact, a bit bulbous nodes is on the top. Cover with some soil so that the rhizome is covered with 1 centimeter of soil. Then water the soil. Put the pots in direct sunlight and water regularly. This is what the growth looks like after 9 weeks after the potting of the rhizomes. The plants are now ready to be repotted outside in a container. When repotting, you want to dig a hole that is big enough so that you can transfer the plant with the soil from the pots into that hole. After transplanting, gently press the soil around the plant so that it is covered well. You can transplant all the plants in a container outside. Make sure that you leave enough space in between them to grow. Regularly check the growth of the plants and remove the weeds. When winter has started, for instance in November, you can harvest the plants. Make sure you completely pull out the plant, but without damaging the roots too much. The roots are the place where new rhizomes have grown on the plant. Clean all the dirt and soil from the roots by hosing it with some water. After having the plants dry for a week, you can harvest the fresh rhizomes from the plants. The rest can be thrown away. The rhizomes can be stored and used later according to your preferred use.
Thank you for watching this video on how to grow turmeric plants. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around
and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!